Hello guys, my name is Janushka Thoma. Welcome to my data science series using Python. Here in this video, today we will discuss about exploratory data analysis in data science. So here in this is our third assignment question in which we will discuss about how to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python, how to construct contingency table using Python, how to construct histogram overlay using Python, and how to perform winning based on predictive value using Python. Here we will start with bar graph that overlay two data sets. Imagine if we want to compare a score from two different groups. Here is the code. So here we have imported map-to-lib library that is used for plotting and NumPy which is used for numerical data. So here we have created a categories value 1 and value 2. Categories is storing A, B, C, and D, and value 1 is storing 4718, and value 2 is storing value that is 638, 5. Now we have to arrange this. So we will calculate the length of category, that is 4, and we will arrange that. Now we will plot. So here by using plt.var method, we will plot the values. Here the values 1 and width is 0.4, label is dataset 1 and color is blue. And for values 2, we will set the label dataset 2 and color the orange and width is 0.4. Now by using plt.xtics x categories, we will plot our data. Now plt.title, we have bar graph with overlay, plt.ligin, and then we will use plt.show to show our bar graph. Now let's see the output of this code. Here the output of the code here is a bar graph with overlay. This is our data set 1 which is represented by blue color, and this is our data set 2 which is represented by 1. Here this is our category A, B, C, D, and this is the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for our value 1 and value 2. So this is the bar graph with overlay. Now let's create a contingency table. These tables summarize the data and are useful for exploring relationship between categorical variables. For example, here we have imported panda library. Here we have data gender is equal to male, female, and preference is A, B, and A. Here we have converted this data into data frame, that is a table form. Now we will use contingency table pd.crosstab. This code uses the pandas crosstab function to calculate the frequency of preference for each gender. The output is neat table that is easy to interpret. Now let's see the output of this code. Wait, the output is preference. Here preference A and B. Here gender female is 0, 2 and male is 3, 0. This is the output of our this code. Now third thing, we will see the histogram with overlay. Here histogram with overlay are great for comparing the distribution of two data sets. Here now check how we can do this. Here we have imported matplotlib library for plotting and NumPy for numerical data. Here we have created a data set data 1 and data set data 2, where we have used anfi.random.normal 50, which is a range 50 to 10, 100. Here its range is 60, 50, 100. Now we have to plot histogram. So we will use plt.hist for plotting data 1, and we will use plot.hist for plotting data 2. Here wins is equal to 10 and alpha is 0.5. Our label for data 1 is data 1 and label for data 2 is data 2, and color for data 1 is blue, color for data 2 box is orange. Now our title of is a histogram with overlay. Now we will show our data by using plt.show method. Now let's see the output of this code. Here this code now uses NumPy to generate two datasets and overlay with histogram with transparent alpha 0.5. This result let you visualize how the dataset differ in their distribution. Now this is the output of our test code. Lastly, let's perform binding. Binding help grows data into meaningful category. For example, here we have a code where there we have imported a panda library and we have created a data where value is 23, 45, 12 and so on, and target is 1010101, which is true or false as we know. And here we have converted our data into table form by using pd.dataframe. Now we will perform winning. How can we do this? We have stored some data 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, which is assigned to wins, and we have labels low, medium, high, very high. Now we will use pd.cut for display value and wins is equal to wins, level is equal to level. Now we will print our df. Now this code uses pd.cut to win value into categories like low or high. This result in a new column in a data set that makes the data easier to use. Now let's run this code. Now the output of our this code is here. This is our value, that is 23, 45, 12, 67, 34, 89, 50. Now this is our target value, which is 1010101. Now we have performed wind, that is here we have low, medium, low, high, medium, very high, high. This is our categories like win values that is divided into categories like low, medium, low, high, medium, very high. This is the output of our code. Now it's all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.